With domestic violence so prevalent on reservations, we're pushing Congress to restore your power to bring to justice anyone, Indian or non-Indian, who hurts a woman.
And we are committed to making sure that we put an end to the kind of sectarian strife that has been so prevalent these last several years and has harmed so many people.
On the other hand, although we have not seen an additional case here in the United States, I have always said that we have to make sure we're prepared here at home, and we will not have defeated this disease until we have defeated it where it is most prevalent, and that is in West Africa.